Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Proform treadmill related products that are currently available on the market for their true quality and value. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have ranked them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated prices of each product, make sure to check out the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. All right, let's dive in. At number 5, we have the Incline Treadmill by WellFit. This treadmill is perfect for those who want an advanced machine for serious workouts. It boasts the powerful 4.5 HP brushless motor that operates quietly, even at its top speed of 10 miles per hour. The standout feature here is the 12% auto incline capability, which makes it ideal for users looking to maximize calorie burn and simulate uphill running. This treadmill is built for heavy-duty use, with a massive 500 pounds weight capacity and a spacious 55 inches by 20 inches running area. The 5-layer non-slip running belt and 8 shock absorbers ensure a smooth and joint-friendly workout experience. It also comes equipped with pulse sensors, Bluetooth connectivity, and an adjustable LED display that tracks metrics like speed, distance, calories, and heart rate. The smart app integration is a bonus for users who want to customize their workouts or follow pre-designed training programs. While it's packed with advanced features, the Auto Incline treadmill is on the heavier side at 120 pounds and requires assembly. Its price isn't listed, but given its premium specs, it may fall on the higher end of the spectrum. Overall, this is a solid choice for fitness enthusiasts who need a durable machine with robust features. However, it may be overkill for casual users or those with limited space. Coming in at number 4 is the WellFit Treadmill for Home, a versatile and durable option for users who want an effective yet straightforward treadmill. This model offers a powerful 4.0 HP brushless motor that supports speeds ranging from 1 to 10 miles per hour, making it suitable for both beginners and advanced runners. It's designed with a manually adjustable incline of up to 5% for enhanced calorie burn during workouts. The treadmill features a spacious 45-inch by 20-inch running area with a 5-layer non-slip running belt and 8 shock absorbers, making it a great choice for users with joint concerns. Its LED display is intuitive and tracks key metrics such as speed, time, distance, calories, and heart rate. The built-in pulse sensors provide real-time heart rate monitoring, while Bluetooth connectivity allows users to sync their data with fitness apps for a more engaging workout experience. Weighing 94.2 pounds, this treadmill is relatively easier to move compared to heavier models, but it still offers a robust 450 pounds weight capacity. On the downside, it lacks auto incline functionality, and assembly is required. Overall, this is a strong mid-range option for people who want a reliable treadmill for home use, without stepping into premium pricing territory. At number 3, we have the Race-Base 2025 Upgrade Walking Pad Treadmill, a compact and versatile treadmill designed for small spaces. With a 3.5 HP motor, it offers speeds ranging from 0.6 to 6 miles per hour, making it ideal for walking, jogging, and light running. The unique 8% manual incline feature sets it apart, allowing users to burn up to 150% more calories than on a flat treadmill. Its space-saving design makes it perfect for apartment dwellers or those with limited room. When folded, it's only 4.48 inches thick, making it easy to store under a bed or couch. The treadmill includes a 36-inch by 15-inch running area with a 6-layer non-slip belt and advanced shock absorption, ensuring a comfortable workout for users with joint issues. The LED display and FitShow app integration provide real-time tracking of metrics like speed, calories, and distance, while the remote control offers added convenience. While the Race-Base walking pad is versatile, its compact running area may not be ideal for taller users or those who prefer longer strides. Additionally, it's not as powerful as some of the larger treadmills on this list. That said, it's a great option for casual exercisers or anyone looking for a portable treadmill that fits comfortably into tight living spaces. At number 2, we have the Silicone Treadmill Belt Lubricant by Secode, a budget-friendly option for maintaining your treadmill's performance. This lubricant is made of pure silicone oil, which is colorless, odorless, and specifically designed for treadmills requiring non-petroleum silicone-based lubricants. Regular application can significantly reduce noise, friction, and wear between the belt and deck, prolonging the life of your treadmill. The standout feature here is the patented applicator design, which allows users to apply the lubricant without loosening the treadmill belt. The long, hard tube ensures precise application, while the included replacement tube offers added convenience. The package also includes a precision screw cap for controlled dispensing and 2 oil absorption cloths for easy cleanup. While this lubricant is affordable and effective, it's not suitable for treadmills with metal structures or components, as silicone oil isn't designed for metal lubrication. Additionally, users should ensure the belt is free of cleaning agents before application to avoid chemical reactions. This is a perfect choice for household and commercial treadmill users who want a cost-effective solution for treadmill maintenance. And finally, at number 1, we have the Treadmill Belt Lubricant by CC, the premium option for treadmill maintenance. Like the Secode lubricant, this product is made of pure silicone oil, but it takes things a step further with added high-temperature stability and a stainless steel extension tube for effortless application. This ensures even distribution of the lubricant without the need to loosen the belt. Regular use of this lubricant reduces noise, friction, and wear, extending the life of your treadmill and avoiding costly repairs. It's suitable for both home and commercial gym equipment, making it a versatile choice for users across the spectrum. The CC lubricant also comes with a 20-month customer service guarantee, offering peace of mind to buyers. The only downside is its slightly higher price point compared to other lubricants, but the added benefits and durability make it a worthwhile investment. If you're looking for a high-quality lubricant that's easy to use and provides long-lasting results, this is your best bet. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in narrowing down your options for the best treadmill-related products. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions or thoughts about these products, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.